PDF is just as pervasive, if not more so, than any other document type. So why is it that just Microsoft Office is deployed to every worker by default, but PDF and e-signing only to a chosen few? The Nitro Productivity Suite is the perfect add-on for your Microsoft Office 365 customers. By delivering advanced PDF editing and giving you unlimited e-signing, the Nitro Productivity Suite addresses critical use cases not currently supported by Office 365 applications, such as combining documents, sending those documents for e-signature, and converting the PDFs to other file formats. So help your customers overcome these gaps in their productivity by deploying Nitro alongside Office 365. We've talked about the benefits of the products and the solution from Nitro, but what about partnering with us? Well, it's a great opportunity because the market, as we've discussed, is expanding and will continue to do so for some time to come. So if you're partnering with Nitro, you get the benefit of a market-leading solution, but also real demonstrable value to your customers and the ability to make a difference to your clients and prospects on that digital transformation journey.